In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your virtual card PIN on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to keep your information secure while you view your PIN. With your Wise account open, start by heading to the main navigation and look for the Cards section on the left. This is where Wise keeps all your card controls in one place. Clicking Cards will take you to a view that lists your available cards, including any virtual cards you've set up alongside your physical ones. If you have more than one, don't worry. Each card is clearly labeled so you can pick the right one. Next, select the specific card whose PIN you want to see. Taking a second to confirm you've chosen the correct virtual card helps avoid confusion later, especially if you manage multiple currencies or keep separate cards for different purposes. After selecting it, you'll see key options and details for that card. Now, look for the option labeled Show PIN. This is the button that reveals your 4-digit PIN on screen. Wise intentionally places an extra security check here, so you don't accidentally expose your PIN. Click Show PIN to begin that secure process. You'll be asked to enter your account password. Type it carefully, then proceed to confirm two-factor authentication. Depending on how your security is set up, you might get a notification to approve in your Authenticator app, a prompt in the Wise app, or another method you've chosen. This extra step is there to protect your account and ensure only you can view sensitive details like your PIN. Once your password and two-factor authentication are confirmed, your PIN will appear. It may be visible only for a short time, so be ready to note it mentally. For your safety, avoid writing it down in plain text or sharing it with anyone. If you're in a public place, angle your screen away from others, and remember that screenshots of sensitive information are not recommended. That's all there is to it. Go to Cards on the left, choose the right virtual card, click Show PIN, and complete the password and two-factor prompts to reveal it. If something doesn't appear right away, double-check that you selected the correct card and that your internet connection is stable. Keeping your login details secure and your two-factor method up to date will make this process smooth every time. Thanks for watching. If this helped, you're all set to access your virtual card PIN on Wise safely and confidently whenever you need it.